An expressway is different from a normal road you are used to. You can maintain a high speed continuously. You may not feel the speed, so keep a safe distance between vehicles. It's essential for you to keep an eye on regulatory signs, warning signs, information and direction signs. It has 2 lanes for one direction. Inner lane is only for increasing speed and overtaking other vehicles. You must drive your vehicle in the outer lane as much as possible. You can never turn and drive back or reverse your vehicle on an expressway. Unless in a case of emergency or an accident, you can never stop your vehicle or get down from your vehicle and walk on the expressway. Know exactly where you're going. You need good concentration and discipline to drive safely on an expressway.